Hello, this is Miss Seaver, and so today we will be talking about articles. So, let's see in my handy dandy writing notebook what I wrote about articles. And then I would like you to go ahead and copy this down yourself, okay? So, articles are an, a, and the, okay? A, and the. So if a noun, when to use the is usually used when it's followed by a noun. That's if the noun can be counted or something singular. All right, so that's when the noun is singular, and then use the. If it can be counted, then you use a or an. All right, so here are my notes, and if you can, I would like for you to go ahead and write these down in your own writing journal for note taking. So articles, an is followed by a vowel, okay? An is followed by a vowel. What is a vowel? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So the next article is A. A is followed by a consonant. A consonant. What is a consonant? Everything that is not a vowel. So if you look at the alphabet chart, okay, it would be what? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, maybe Y, and Z. And then the word the is followed by a noun, but not just any noun. It has to be a singular noun. And what is a noun? A noun is a person, place, or thing, sometimes animal. All right, you can freeze this video and go ahead and write down these notes if you need more time. Okay, once you have your notes all written down and you're ready to move on, I would like you to get a plain sheet of paper. I use manila paper, and I folded it in half. And I'm doing this because I need the paper to be small. So I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to cut it in half, or I'm really good at tearing slowly, so that's what I did. And then I made it a small piece of paper. Okay, so once your paper is small and it fits into your notebook size, then you're going to take it again and you're going to fold it like a hot dog, like a hot dog bun. It's going to be nice and skinny, like a tube, right? So today I would like to concentrate on two of the articles for review, and those two articles are a and an. So on top, I'm going to label a and an. So here's my marker. A, an. Squiggly line, squiggly line. If you want to, you can draw a line down the center of your paper. So here we go. I have a and an. Then I will glue it down into my notebook. So go ahead and glue it down. Okay. Once you have it glued down, it should fit in your notebook nicely, in your writing notebook. So remember, your writing notebook next to your notes, a and an. So I'm going to give you a word, and then you decide, does it go under a or an? Are you ready? Okay, get your pencil. Make sure you use a pencil so if we need to make corrections, we can erase it and try again. All right, so make sure you have a pencil. All right, so here we go. The first word is lion. Is it a lion or an lion? Lion. So lion begins with what letter? L, L, right? So L, is that a vowel? Nope, L is not a vowel. So that means it starts with A, right? So a lion. So put lion, L-I-O-N, lion under A. A lion. We're going to do first three together and then you have to do the rest. Ready? Okay, next one. Orange. 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 Orange starts with what letter? An O. Good. So O, is O a vowel or a consonant? That's right. O is a vowel. So O is a vowel. That means it begins with an. An orange. So let's put orange under an. O-R-A-N-G-E. I'm going to go ahead and underline the first letter. A lion, and orange. All right, one more. The next word is computer. Computer. Computer starts with what letter? A C. Very good. C. Computer. So computer, is a C a consonant or a vowel? Very good. C is a consonant. So if it's a consonant and not a vowel, that means it begins with A. Very good. A, computer. So let's spell computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Okay. All right, let me give you the rest of the words. Ready? All right, so the next word is apple. 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 Does apple begin with A or an? Okay. Next one, egg. Egg. If you need to stop the video while I'm showing you these words, you can. Egg. Does egg begin with A or an? A egg or an egg? Okay. Next one. Animal. 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 Is it a animal or an animal? Okay, next one. Ant eater. Ant eater. Ant eater. Is it a ant eater or an ant eater? Okay, next one. Student. 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 A student or an student? Okay. Next one, pencil. 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 A pencil or an pencil? Does it go under a or an? Okay. Teacher. Next word is teacher. Teacher. Does it go under a or an? Okay. And last one, zookeeper. Zookeeper. Is it a zookeeper or an zookeeper? All right, go ahead and check your work and let's see. All right, so here we go. Let's check our work. A lion, a computer, a student, a pencil, a teacher, a zookeeper, an orange, an apple, an egg, an animal, an anteater. So here we know the difference between a and an. So let's go ahead and go back to our notes section. And here we went to, I'm going to go ahead and add the. When do we use the? When we have a definite article, okay? When do we use a or an? When we have an indefinite article. So the, let me give you an example, is let's read the book. Okay, so that means we have one singular specific book. Okay, a singular specific book. Okay, and if I say let's read a book, that means any book rather than a specific book. So a book, or let's read the book. That means you're reading one specific book, and if you say a book, it could mean any kind of book. So that's the difference between the, a, and an. All right, so here I wrote a sentence. She has blank idea. What would fit there? Would it be an, a, or the? So if you're not sure, what can you do? She has blank idea. If you look at idea, idea starts with a what? The letter I. And is the letter I a vowel or a consonant? Let's look up here. Right there. I is a vowel. So since I is a vowel, that means you're going to use what? An. She has an idea. All right, go ahead and write it in. Okay, so here we have it written in now. She has an idea. Okay, here's our next one, next sentence. My dad is blank doctor. What would fit here? An, a, or the? So sometimes we can what? We can look at the next letter over, which is what? D, doctor, right? So D, is that a vowel or a consonant? D is a consonant. Very good. So that means it's going to start with A. But if we're not sure, can we also use our listening ear? We can try listening to it with all three options, right? So my dad is an doctor, my dad is a doctor, or my dad is the doctor. Okay, in this instance, it is A, because here we go, D is a consonant and not a vowel. So let's go ahead and write A. Okay, so here we go. Now we have she has an idea. My dad is a doctor. Right, now I'm going to write my third sentence. Okay, so here's our final sentence. We looked at blank stars. We looked at blank stars. All right, so stars begins with what letter? An S. Very good. So let's look at the different options and see which one sounds best. We looked at an stars. We looked at a stars. Or we looked at the stars. Which one sounds best? So here you have to use your listening ear, and we're talking about specific stars. So the stars that they are looking at. So the correct answer is the. Very good. So go ahead and write in the. Okay, so now we have she has an idea. My dad is a doctor. We looked at the stars, specific stars. So here we're looking at specific. All right, well, I hope this lesson helped with helping you decipher between a, and the. Good job. See you next time.